And Gideon, that's what future sport is all about. Back after this.
You ready for some more interesting points on sports? Let's check in with the aerial view.
Well, Vic, this is the old exercise equipment. This is before the time of computers. These machines do not have intelligence of them. They depend on gravity only. And let me tell you what I mean by that. If I try to lift in the sitting press 150 pounds, let's look what happens. It's easy in the beginning, and I get stuck here. I cannot do it anymore. I have to put it back. Why? The reason is that my arm reaches a certain angle which is biomechanically inefficient. Everybody knows that it's harder to keep weight on the side than to keep it close to the body. So I'm getting farther from the body and I get stuck because of a mechanical reason. The machine does not. The machine does not have a brain. Now let's put 100 pounds here and see what happens with 100 pounds. When I'm lifting 100 pounds, it's too easy in the beginning, hard in the middle, and too easy in the end. In fact, if I'm doing it fast enough, it flies. It has zero weight in the end because the machine is dumb. Now let's go and see the 21st century machine, the computerized exercise machine. This is the 21st century machine. This is the computerized machine of the future athletes. The future athletes will select their number here on the machine, will select the proper program, and from this program we'll try to do what they're doing the best. Well, I'll select the sitting press, the same exercise that I did there. The computer allows me to select all kind of variable. In this case, I will select the variable velocity. Try to simulate a shot putter. In my first repetition, this will simulate the actual shot put routine. And I push as hard as I can all the way. I did 124 pounds. And the second repetition, let's see, 110 pounds. And the third repetition, it's accelerate like the shot, 112. Now I would look on my force curve and see where my deficiency is. Let's understand the force curve. These are the angle here. That's when I extend my arm, it's going up, and then when I pull my arm down, it's going down. That's 5 degrees, 10 degrees, 15 degrees. Here is the force, 40 pounds, 84, 80 pounds, 120 pounds. Look what happened in the beginning when I start to extend my elbow. I'm getting to 120 pounds, I keep to 140, and maybe 150 in the end. On the way down, in this case, it's not so important. I have a deficiency, and the reason is that I cannot accelerate the bar to about 240 pounds, 250 pounds that guys like Brian Oldfield can do. This is the intelligent machine of the future. All my information that you see here going to be stored in the computer, never being forgotten, always compare me to the best in the world and to myself. This machine, which has a computer in it, will allow future sport athletes to tune their practice perfectly for their own condition and achieve optimum.
With me, an incredible athlete, Edwin Moses. Edwin, delighted to have you here, and I'm dying to hear the